Well, most of the rain we get in Kentucky this week will come at night. Welcome back. I just wanted to give you one of the takeaways. I think temperatures are certainly part of the story, but you want to track in or at least factor in the rain will be an issue, I think, more at night this week. 50 degrees currently in Lexington, 49 in McKee. It's 50 in Somerset. Just a few passing clouds. We'll call it fair skies or more cirrus clouds that are moving overhead. But showers develop on Monday, most of it in the afternoon, but there could be some sprinkles in the morning. Notice that the temperatures drop on Tuesday, so it's an early high temperature and it gets cooler as the day wears on, but there will be some sunshine. And it turns soggy late Wednesday, so if you're getting an early start on the commute, maybe to grandma's house for Thanksgiving, take note the rain will be on Thanksgiving morning's forecast with a lesser extent in the afternoon. It should depart pretty quickly, and I don't think there'll be any dry turkeys. It'll be moist, right? It'll be soggy. The turkey will be just right, maybe, from that perspective. Monday, we're looking at 7:30 sunrise. Sunsets at 5:21. We will see these clouds gather before the sun comes up. More clouds and warm by midday, about 59, and showers will be possible by 2 o'clock with showers increasing. 62, a pretty warm finish, all things considered. Here's a satellite and radar picture. You can see there are more clouds in a spin over parts of Iowa. This is associated with a low that's trying to work its way in this direction, so it brings in maybe a few sprinkles first thing tomorrow morning, but then I think most of it's going to be coming in the afternoon because this front will help initiate some of that rising motion. So you're going to see some showers in Richmond. You'll find it in London, and Jackson, McKee by 8 o'clock tomorrow night. That'll be the bulk of what we see at night. It departs, and then we see this sunshine break out on Tuesday, and the temperatures gradually get cooler throughout the afternoon. But let's take you through tomorrow. By 5 o'clock, do you get wet? Maybe not if you're in Hazard or Pikeville, because by 5 o'clock it's very light rain. We head into the wee hours of the morning. By 6:30 Tuesday, it's gone, and most of us have had about 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10. We go into Wednesday. It looks okay in the morning, looks okay in the afternoon. It's at nighttime. Look how this fills in now. Most of the rain looks like it's down toward Jackson and Hazard with a 1/2 inch to an inch. Some of these amounts we see will be doable. We're not going to deal with flooding per se, but it will be more of a nuisance as we head through the Thanksgiving holiday with a wet ground. What's the next big thing? How about the Arctic blast? Yes, we are on track. I say we're on track to get some of the coldest air we've seen in about 9 months. This is the Arctic blast that's coming down from Chicago and from Canada. It's going to park over Lexington and sadly could put some folks in western North Carolina, you know, the survivors from Hurricane Helene, they may not have the best shelters built in place. They're going to have an Arctic blast. They need to prepare for that as well. But the taste of winter is certainly going to be with us, and it is worth noting this is all going to be encompassing the areas that you might be traveling into early parts of December. So you're talking about Kentucky all the way toward the mid-Atlantic and into the Carolinas. But it's been 9 months since Lexington was in the lower 20s. Can you believe it? You got to go back to Leap Day. Leap Day, that was the 29th of February. We don't get those days very often, but once every 4 years. But it is true. We're headed back there, I think, this Saturday morning. For those who might be going to the Wildcat Louisville game, it's a midday start. We'll talk more about for Jordan in a second. But 43 your low, few clouds, but it will be gradually increasing before the sun comes up. Just not as cold as it was this morning. Low temperature 38 Jackson, 41 in Somerset, and then you can see highs about 62 Lexington and Richmond tomorrow. Here's your Fox 56 Weather Authority forecast. We're looking for most of the rain at night. We got an 80% chance Wednesday night, and then flakes. Look at that 22. My teeth are chattering just thinking about that, Jordan. Let's get back over to you.